Let me show you easily the best value for money karaoke microphone and speaker combo that you can get. So inside the box we get our microphone, which actually looks absolutely awesome. Also a quick manual here and also a short charger lead as well for it. When it comes to the build quality and looks, as you see, this looks absolutely amazing. So again, we have microphone of fairly decent quality, I would say, and also we have inbuilt speaker here as well, which can actually output quite a loud song, so it can even fill up like quite large room. Also, perhaps if you are looking to get this set, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only around $5 for mine, and that also is with free shipping for this price. I think this is absolutely ridiculously cool deal. Also, if you follow that link, you can also get in different colors here as well, as you can see. So yeah, make sure to check out those links if you also want to get it for similar price. For this price, absolutely insane what we are getting here. So you see on the front we have our controls here, so we can increase or decrease the volume. Also we can increase or decrease the microphone volume here, and also basically the reverb. We have the like previous track, like next track. Also we can pause and resume, and also we can isolate basically the track from the like voices essentially. So remove like voice from like music tracks. Okay, and also we have bunch more ports here. So you have your micro SD card. So this can be used in multiple different modes. Either you can actually load music directly to micro SD memory card, or also we can actually connect it to a phone as well using Bluetooth. So you see, I'll insert the micro SD card. You have the 3.5 output as well, so you can even like connect it to something else, this as well, and also USB as well if needed. And we have the on-off button here. Also, this can be used to cycle different modes. So you see, let's turn it on.
Music. Not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I
so let's crank it down. Yeah, so you see it instantly starts playing, and yeah, we can also use our microphone as well. So if you speak in the microphone. And yeah, the speaker quality actually for this price is surprisingly decent. Also decent bass as well. I'm fairly sure you can even see the speaker here working, see? Yeah. Also check this, you can even unscrew this as well if you need. So let's go back. I'll just show you how it looks inside. So you see we have actually quite beefy battery here inside. Obviously you do not have to take it apart, I'm just showing you what's actually inside in this puppy. And also we can remove the microphone as well. So we have the microphone capsule there. Oops. I was touching the microphone. It doesn't like that. So as you see, the sound is incredibly good from this. Also very good bass as well. Also, we can very easily connect this to our phone as well. So for example, on your phone you can open any of the karaoke apps, or you can simply go to YouTube as well and search for any karaoke version of songs. And there are tons of like tracks that you can essentially like stream to this like machine, and also follow on the screen the words, and you can also sing basically them as well. And if you want to connect it to your phone, it's very easy. So you simply like toggle this button here. It will switch between the different modes.
Line in.
So the line in mode, you can connect basically here.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So when you hear this, you simply go to your phone, click and hold on the Bluetooth settings, click on details, and it should appear here. So you see it appeared here. Let's click on it. Let's wait for it to pair. Yep, allows a pairing request.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yeah, I see it even shows your battery level here as well. By the way, battery life also is actually very decent on this one. As you saw, the battery cell inside is actually absolutely massive on it. So yeah, for example, you see, you can instantly like play something from your phone, and it literally acts as a Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, when it comes to sound quality, again, I'm actually like completely blown away by just how decent it is at this price. Really, you can actually never expect this kind of sound quality on these, I would say. Also, bass is very good as well. So for example, again, let me put it on. So yeah, as you see, the sound quality is absolutely amazing, I would say, on this one. And also we can control basically the tracks on our phones well remotely as well. So check this, for example. So again, we have the like pause and resume button here. And you see it also happens there. You can go to the next song. Okay, sorry, like previous one. Also we can adjust the volume, so you see it also like decrease on our phone. So literally just like a Bluetooth speaker. And this button over here can essentially kind of like isolate the words from the track essentially. So if you want to basically sing over, so check this, for example, I'll show what it looks like. So let's resume it.
Never really noticed what you want. I feel the sweat inside my palm.
I'm not sure how well you can hear, but it's essentially like removing the words from the song and essentially only leaving the instrumentals or music. So again, it's able to do that somehow, so you can actually sing over it. And also let me show you what the microphone, for example, sounds like. So you have to actually speak pretty much like right in the microphone. So, and I'm now speaking in the microphone, and this is what it sounds like. Also, you see, if you like engage remix button, you can also increase the reverb, so it will sound like kind of interesting. So you see, I'll crank it to the maximum. Hey, 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 hey. So this is a microphone test. As you see, it basically reverbs and makes it sound absolutely crazy. So yeah, this is maybe good for some kind of parties. Yeah. Actually very cool features on it indeed. And also we can adjust the microphone volume as well. And overall, is this karaoke set actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, I think it's absolutely amazing for its price. So first, the sound quality, again, it's way better than I actually imagined. For this price, literally like around $5. If you follow those special discount links I'll include in the description, I think the sound quality is absolutely amazing. Microphone also is decent, I would say. Also, yep, we can also like insert the micro SD memory card, so we do not need to connect the phone if you obviously do not want. And for this price, really, I think this is absolutely unbeatable. If you're wondering about the color, I have the rose gold version here. So in the listing, it looks like this here. I think this actually looks like very cool indeed. Okay, yeah. So yeah, if you want to get it, so simply check out those special discount links. Again, literally only like $5 from AliExpress, and also with free shipping for this price. I think this is absolute bargain. Okay, like,